Hey guys, AJ here, back on another one for you. So guys, back we go to the courtroom for some more courtroom madness. And guys, all these modern chicks wanted equality, and guess what guys, we're going to look at some of these modern women in jail for not paying child support. And they're going to try and give every excuse to the judge to let him out without a bond. So guys, we're going to check this out. But before we do, guys, like, subscribe, drop a comment. If you like content just like this, guys, check out the playlist that's at the end of the video, and let's get into this, guys.
23 at 8 o'clock a.m. before this court.
Ms. Parks, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to appear at a prior hearing as a result of your failure to pay child support. The purpose of this hearing is to set a bond that would assure your attendance at the next hearing on July 12, 2023 at 8 o'clock a.m. You will get notice of that in writing. Are you able to post a bond?
I am not, and I was actually supposed to start a job today.
Guys, who believes that, right? Isn't it funny how they're always starting a job? I got an interview today. I got a job today. I had an interview yesterday. Please.
Also, I made payments on my child support. I just didn't know that they were supposed to be like written down or something. My son's grandma, I give her money every week.
Sure.
Okay, well, you need to pay your child support. Don't give money direct because you don't get any credit for that.
And there you go, guys. There you go. Guys, if you have a baby mom, always try and pay through the court. I know it sounds crazy. You might be saying, AJ, hey, why would you say to put yourself on child support? Because you need to have a record of you making payments, guys. I have a video that I did of a guy. He was paying all of his ex-wife's bills and everything, and then she took him to court for alimony and child support, and none of that counted. I'll link that in the description box. Guys, this is also from Looking at Legal Stuff's channel. I will leave the link to this channel and the link to this video just in case you don't watch the video without me yakking over it the whole time.
Okay, well, I've given her over $2,000, so that just doesn't count.
Guys, do you believe that? Guys, if you honestly believe that she's given her mom, who's taking care of her baby, $2,000, guys, I gotta do it.
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
Come on, she's lying.
Well, it helps if she's willing to waive an arrearage and sign some paperwork saying that you gave her, so you'll have to talk to her about that. What I'm going to do in this matter is I am going to reduce your bond because it is your first bench warrant in both cases. I'm going to set your bond in each case in the amount of $200, so it'd be $400 total. If you're able to post that, you'd be able to be released. Do you have any questions?
I don't have $400, honestly. Is there any?
Well, then you better get comfortable, right, guys?
Is there any way that, like, I could call somebody? I don't have any money on my thing. I've never really been to jail before, so I don't really know how this works.
This is the first time for everything.
You can call the jail, let you use the phone, call whoever it is you want, and you'll be able to get maybe some assistance from them. Okay.
Okay. What if I don't have any money on my thing, on my phone thing?
Then you'll end up remaining there until the 12th when we have your hearing.
There go those tears, guys. Guys, drop in the comments. Do you think she's actually crying? These are crocodile tears if I've ever seen them. Come on, guys. Come on. What if I can't go to jail? Hey, she should see the bright side of things. She's going to get 3 hots and a cot.
Okay. Thank you. Court will end this matter at 8:45 a.m. You're free to go. Have a good day.
So that's Casey Parks. Says, let's move on to this amazing individual right here. And guys, this guy at the bottom, Let's say it once, I'll say it again. He looks like the dad from Shameless. What was his name? Like William H. Macy or whatever his name is. I can't get over it. Okay, here we go.
Good morning. We're already live on YouTube. Just 1 second here. The 37th Circuit Court is now in session with the Honorable Brian
Bowling of case 181752 DP. Ms. Bowling is here today after failing to appear before this court on August 28th, 2019.
How hard is it to show up to court, guys? I mean, honestly. Seriously.
Bond is currently set at $505. This is the second bench warrant. She reports no employment.
Of course not.
Last payment made on this account was in May of 2019. And the court recommends that a reasonable bond be set in this matter and it be scheduled for hearing on July 5th, 2023 at 8:45 a.m. before this court.
Thank you. Ms. Bowling, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to appear at a prior hearing as a result of your failure to pay child support. The purpose of this hearing is to set a bond that would assure your attendance at the next hearing on July 5th, 2023 at 8:45 a.m. You will get notice of that in writing. Are you able to post a bond, ma'am?
I am not.
Of course she's not, right, guys? Of course she's not.
I'd had my rears forgiven.
There it is, guys. There it is. I was waiting for this. Guys, she had her arrears forgiven. And she's still in jail for not paying child support. Now, guys, someone please, someone out there that's been through family court, any of you guys that are getting screwed over, guys, how can you get your arrears forgiven? I didn't think that was an actual thing, unless her mom or whoever who has a child sign the documentation to get the arrears forgiven. But I don't know of any other way. Guys, put in the comments if you know that.
2019 and I only had $400 left with a $200 warrant. And so I'm not sure where this came from. I recently moved. I'm in the methadone clinic.
Uh-huh.
I lost my apartment back in December because my landlord sold my building. And I've been staying.
Sounds like you probably lost your apartment because you're a junkie. Right, guys?
With my
Well, I don't know why it is either, but we'll find out on the July 5th date because we'll have the enforcement worker and then all of the other information available. I don't know unless the other arrearage is accrued since that time when you had it forgiven. So I don't know.
Which it probably did.
What I'm going to do in this matter is it is your second bench warrant, and I'm taking that into consideration, but you haven't paid now in almost 4 years.
I apologize. I'm so.
Because she hasn't made any payments in 4 years. 4 years, guys. I'm telling you. These modern women just act like they're just above the law. What did he say on The Matrix? Mr. Anderson, you seem to think the rules don't apply.
I'm sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
I was going to ask if there was any way I could set up a payment plan.
Well, you can always do that when you talk to the worker. That's correct, but not for today. We're just setting the bond amount. That's all. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set your bond in the amount of $200. If you're able to post that, you'd be able to be released. Do you have any questions?
No.
$200, that's it, guys. Do you think that he set it that low for a guy? You know what I mean? Come on.
Okay, thank you. The court will conclude this matter at 8:33 a.m. You're free to go.
Guys, she doesn't have $200. Once again, guys, she better get comfortable, but at least she'll get 3 hots and a cot, right? So, all right, you guys, I'm going to keep these coming. Guys, go and check out Looking at Legal Stuff's channel, man. They have some good stuff over here. And yeah, guys, check out the playlist at the end of this video. Like, subscribe, guys. I am out of here.